Hi, my name is Aruna. Today I am going to present a demo for Module 13, Mobile Development of a Rocket Food Delivery app. So let me give you the app overview. So the purpose is to browse the restaurants and view different menus and how to build an order and to see the order history. And the platforms I have used here are React Native Expo for web and Spring Boot backend on localhost 8080. The core screens I have implemented are login, restaurant screens, and restaurant menu, order, order page, and order history, and order confirmation model. So I have also created a UI for this app, which I will walk through. Um, let's get started. I have run the server and front-end app folders. Now I will log into the app. So this is the login page. So I have coded this login screen respecting the wireframes provided. So this is the Rocket Food Delivery logo, and here is the welcome back and using the email and password of a user. So this email and password are saved in database. I'll show you. In the users table, if you go, see here are the user names, email IDs and passwords. So we are picking up one email ID and password from this table and we will log in. So we'll click on here and we are on the restaurants page. So you will see the different restaurants, and the header part has the Rocket Food Delivery logo and a logout symbol, the button, and the rating and price are the drop down list. You can select any rating you want and it will filter the restaurants list to the filter applied. Okay, I'll go back, and the footer has restaurants icon and order history tab. So whenever you want to go back, you can click on this, and you want to see order history, you can see. So I will explain it later. So let's pick one restaurant, and here we are on the restaurant menu page. Okay, so what are the different menus available in each restaurant? So this data will come from orders. Sorry, not orders. This is product. So if you are seeing, these are the different menu items of different restaurants. So based on the restaurant ID, these products will be appearing when you click on that specific restaurant. So I have fixed a couple of data issues, and just to make sure whatever the data that is shown on the front end is being fetched, so that we can confirm API endpoint is working correctly. And I have used a simple fetch request, which I will explain in the code part. So this is the data. So here are the products, and you can make an order. You will select what all the products you want to order and select and click on create order, and you will see the order confirmation model, and this is the order summary. And you are seeing the item totals and total of all the items, and you will click on confirm order. Once you click this button, it says thank you, your order has been received. Let's go to the orders table and check if this order has been saved in database. Let's do a quick refresh. See, now it is 284 record. Let's see. Let's do one more. 1 second. Let's do Olive Garden. Confirm. See, 285 we got here in the bottom. That means the order we created for the Olive Garden restaurant has been saved in the orders table. This is a very important step. Let me tell you why. So once we have confirmed that order is being saved in the orders table, then you can get the orders and you can view the product, like you can see all the orders in the order history. So in order for that screen to work properly, you have to make sure the order you are creating is saved in the orders table. So we will click here. See, you are seeing different orders that are placed for different restaurants. Okay, and let's see, view individual order. See, if you open this one, it says this is the order history model screen. It says for the Olive Garden restaurant, so that is the order placed, so 757, and the status is pending, and different products that we placed order for, and the total. So once you are done here, you can close it, and you can go back to restaurant screen. So this is basically the app that I developed. Let me explain the code part. Yeah. So this is the client folder, front end, and server Java 2 is for the back end. So I already have run this Spring Boot in the back end and also front end client folder. Now I'll just walk through the code part. So the entry point loads the app from the index.js. If you go down here, this is the entry point. So this entry point is loading from here, and it points to the app.jsx. See, it points to this one. It is here. App.jsx is the traffic controller. It keeps 3 pieces of state. First one is the screen. So see, login screen. So the screen, which view to show, like whether to show login or restaurants or menu or order history. And restaurant, the restaurant that we click and open. All other screens are here. And it will also show which footer tab is active. And when screen, like we open the login screen, it renders the login.jsx. So it is under screens here, this one. So this one is the login screen. Here I have used a simple fetch for API.auth endpoint, and it sets the screen like once this login is completed, then we will go to the restaurant screen. This one, restaurants.jsx. So selecting a restaurant, it will set the screen is equal to menu that passes that restaurant to the restaurant menu.jsx. So after this, you will go to this restaurant menu.jsx. Here also I have used an endpoint, the products endpoint. So using a simple fetch, You are seeing, right? So all the products in that specific restaurant will be called from the database using this endpoint. And you can see here the next one is order confirmation model. Once you place the order, like this order confirmation model comes up, you can place the order. And here I have used an endpoint post where is that, 1 second. This one. So we are seeing, right, API /orders. This is the endpoint I have used in this screen, so that this order will go and save in the orders table. And so here also we are using auth token from the order submission. So when that JWT token that we get, like when we log in, so we use that token now, like when creating the order. These all are the success message scenarios, like if at all the order. I have also tested these scenarios. What if order is not placed successfully? These error messages I have tested putting the service down. And I have also tested the one more error message. I want to show wireframes. Just want to show this one. See this order history, this failed to load order history also. I have tested by using a try catch block. So once I commented out that code, then the order is created successfully. That is the success scenario, and this is the failure scenario. So I have tested this one also. It's working. And what else I can show here? Header and footer. Header, logout button it has, and it has the Rocket Food Delivery logo, and footer has the restaurant's icon and order history tab. And all the API settings are centralized in this api.js file. So these are the different endpoints I have used for module 13. And the rating filter and everything I have explained, and the login screen post credentials to the backend. Then it will create a JWT token. I have explained that part as well. So this is pretty much about the Rocket Food Delivery app. It is quite challenging because the Expo, I'm working with the Expo for the first time. So I have fixed a lot of data issues, and I have also made sure the data is persisting in the DB, and we are fetching the data and correctly displaying on the UI. And after each server run, it is picking up all the components. Sometimes it's not picking up all the components and fixes. So I have fixed those parts as well. So this module is quite challenging to me, and I have really learned a lot in implementing this module. Thank you. Bye-bye.